literally just started. I was expecting a countdown, but I guess there's no countdown because it's not at midnight. But yeah, they're absolutely massive. Gorgeous, I guess. Let's pray for 2021. Hope it's a good year for everyone. And, as many people as possible. Got an absolute amazing spot up here in the roof. Was able to sneak out here. But yeah, otherwise it's all good. Hope 2021 will be a good year for as many people as possible. Alright, peace. Fireworks were short as fuck. Didn't even notice it early, but whatever, just having my cig. Chilling. Got my heated gloves over there. All heated up. Just like my cig. Yep. That's my view on the roof. Everybody's left. Everybody's long gone. Except for me, of course. But yeah, the cig is absolutely delicious. Most delicious cig yet. Hi, peace.